Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to restart the VGC service. Let's get started. First, press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Type services.msc. Then press Enter. The services window will open. Scroll down. Find VGC. Right-click VGC. If the service is already running, click Restart. If the service is stopped, click Start. Now double-click VGC. Make sure the startup type is set to automatic. If it isn't, change it to automatic. Then click Apply. And click OK. Now restart your PC. Then launch Valorant or League of Legends again. If you're still getting the same error, try reinstalling Riot Vanguard. Sometimes Vanguard files become corrupted or missing. Reinstalling Vanguard installs fresh files and can fix VGC service problems. To reinstall Vanguard, open the Riot client. Launch Valorant or League of Legends. If Riot Vanguard is missing, the Riot client will automatically download and install it again. When the installation is finished, restart your PC. Then launch the game again. Your issue should now be fixed. That's it. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.